It's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited, girl, because I'm going to be showing you guys 3 new Amazon headband wigs to try on together and to style. And these wigs are super special because the first one, as you can see, I have on, okay, this is a Faux Loc Headband Wig from Amazon. It's super affordable. I'm also going to be showing you guys a super cheap headband wig from a website other than Amazon that's about half the price that I've showed you guys before. And then lastly, I'm going to be showing you guys a colored wig from Amazon that's a headband wig, and it is so pretty. I love it so much, you guys, and it's so affordable. And I'm also going to be teaching you how I pineapple my wig. So if you want to see all of that, make sure you guys stay tuned, keep on watching, and if you are not subscribed already, I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel because I think you would really love it over here, and obviously we have a lot of fun. So today, y'all, I'm so excited because I am collabing with my boo, my homegirl, my sis, Shining Star. Y'all, Star has taught me so many things in this YouTube game. She was one of the first people to really help me out in understanding what I was doing as a wig reviewer and how I could improve. So I am always grateful to her for that, and she's just super cool, always been chill, and always just been herself, which I love. But she's also doing an Amazon haul, so you definitely want to see what she's got to offer on her channel, and I'm about to head over there after this so I can watch it and put some things in my cart too. Speaking of cart, all of the products that I'll be showing you in this video will be from Amazon, and everything will be linked in not only my Amazon page, which is in the description where you can follow me for updates on new products that I recommend, but it will also be in the description one by one and described as details. So make sure you guys check that description. Guys, like I said, I had the first wig on, honey, and baby, I'm feeling like somebody, point blank, period. I'm not even gonna play with you. Y'all, I love this wig, but there is a con. Okay, so I need you to watch before you add to cart, sis, because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Y'all, this is a Faux Loc headband wig. It comes with a headband attached. I have it wrapped because I pineappled it. I will show you guys some of that process, but later in the video, I'm actually gonna step by step show you how I pineapple my wig, because y'all was asking in the last video that I did a pineapple, and you was like, girl, we need to sit. But with this wig, it does come with a headband attached. It does not come with any combs, you guys, but it does come with a drawstring. And this is a Faux Loc wig. So it comes with about, I would say, a little bit past shoulder length faux locs that are crocheted onto the wig. Now, when I say crocheted onto the wig, this is when we're going to talk about that con, okay? This is when we're going to talk about it. This is one thing I can't stand. I do not like when braided and twisted and faux loc wigs are simply crocheted onto another shorter wig, and unfortunately that is what's going on in this wig. But your girl found out how to finesse it, and I absolutely love this wig regardless of what she is coming with as far as construction. The good thing is that it is real full up here in the top. There's none of those filler hairs at the top, but they sure are in the back, so let's just see what we can do. The locks are very soft, the faux locks. The pattern and the material of the scarf is okay, but I couldn't even put this up because, baby, what is all that hair back there? I styled it with one of the head wraps from Amazon that comes in a pack of 3. It has multiple colors to choose from, and I chose the colors yellow, orange, and purple. I've already styled the yellow one. I see those filler hairs, and if you can, all you gotta do is push this right back up, because that's how I got them covered. You cannot see these filler hairs. Filler hair who? Filler hair where, honey? This is a custom wig. Period. So yes, you guys, this is the Faux Loc wig. I do not have any complaints besides the construction, but we were able to fix that. And I really like the headband that actually came attached to this wig, so I was kind of sad that I wasn't able to wear it. Yes, you guys, I absolutely love this wig. I have no complaints, y'all, and I'm so excited to show you the other looks, because the other looks, baby, especially the last look, I ain't gonna spoil it, but girl, I am so excited to show y'all these because the Lord just put it together, honey. We prayed before this, and bam, look what he did. Period. The hair is really lightweight, which I was happy about, because sometimes with protective styles they can be really heavy, and y'all know I can't do the heavy wigs, like, baby, no. So this one is really lightweight. The cap size is just a regular cap size. You can adjust it with the drawstring, and I haven't had issues with shedding or tangling, of course, because these are faux locs, and they're actually a pretty decent size. They're not like straight, they're not stiff. They're real loose, and they're moving and grooving, okay? Y'all know I like a wig. When I move, you move. Just like that, period. I don't like no stiff, and this is not giving me any stiff. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. Y'all pick it up if y'all want it. Let's go ahead and get into the next wig. If you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share with somebody, okay? Put somebody on that you know is trying to slay, but maybe they're trying to build up their account. They're trying to save their coins. Share this video, girl. Okay, put them on. Y'all, I have this little wig on, and this wig, I want to make sure y'all can see all of its glory, because baby, it's giving rooster. Okay, this is about the best it's going to be, so let's just talk about it. So y'all, this is the Aliexpress wig that I was telling you guys about. Now, she is not completely bad. This is a good in-the-house wig when you don't want to wear your bonnet and you just want something to push back. You know, and just something to hold it down and look a little. I would wear this in the house. That's me personally. It does come with like this wired bow that you can twist and turn to your liking. This is about the best that I could get her to do. But she's not that bad. Like, it comes with like these little short curls in the top and a little bit up here, and it was giving me like mohawk vibes at first. I wasn't sure where it was going, but honestly, y'all, I will wear this little thing right in the house, okay, while I'm cleaning. I don't want to wear my good wig, but I don't want to be in my bonnet. If I got somebody, just a homegirl coming over, I just need to throw something on in between styles, I would wear this. So this is gonna be our in between style wig in the house. Now, I would run to Target in this. I would run to Walmart, maybe not Target. Get a little milk. I need a little moisturizer. Put it in our cart. Hey girl, what's up? Oh, this is my little run around wig. You know, did you see the video? Yeah. That's what I would do with this wig, you guys. I didn't have super high expectations, but I also wasn't expecting this. So y'all, comment below and let me know if you would wear this or not. Would you wear this around your house or to the store, to the gas station? Or if you like taking a long trip and you don't want to wear your good wig in the car, but you don't want to just wear a bonnet, I would wear this. Period. So y'all, I'm gonna quit playing. We're gonna go on to the next wig. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for all your support. And yeah, let's get into that last wig, because that last wig is definitely a cutie. So let's get. Oh, it's giving Willy Wonka. On a good day. Girl, this purple is so vibrant. I really hope I can pull this off, baby. This is that good lavender. Oh, and the wig is soft. Y'all, I was expecting the wig to be like real crunchy, nasty, because you know how sometimes you get a synthetic wig with some curly and some color, and it's just feeling all types of casket wig. This is nice quality. Girl, this feels good. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, y'all, I look a little wild and crazy. I keep looking at myself like, child, what is you doing? But y'all, I want to show you the wrap that I'm gonna hopefully. Ooh, is this too much? We're gonna try it. We're just gonna try it. Who cares? Let's just try it. But let's take these little pink earrings off, because that is not gonna go. I don't think that's gonna be a bop, period. This is a head wrap. It came in a pack of 3 colors, what I showed y'all already before. This is the second color that came in that pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and try 2 pineapple. Now, when I pineappled the last time with a red wig, the red wig is actually this same wig, it's just in a different color, so I went back and got another color, so I will tag that as well. I'm gonna see if I can pineapple it. Now, before y'all was like, we need to see how you pineapple it, so I'm about to pineapple this hair, girl. So I have it just folded in half, It's very long, y'all. This is the one that's long, stretchy, not too thick, real comfortable. I really, really like this one. So it's folded in half, that's all. Now we're gonna take this and we're going to try to put the folded part to the nape of the neck and flip this hair up a little bit. It doesn't have to be up all the way, but enough to where it doesn't look like huge and chunky back here. So let's do it. So now that you got it, pineapple. Ooh, girl, this looking cute. Okay. Flip the hair. Pick which side you want to split the hair on. I usually flip it to the right side. So I'm just pulling the curls over. Make sure your wig cap is covered up here, okay? We don't want no wig caps waving hello to the people in the streets. So I'm going to take this that's left on this side and I'm going to pull it back. I'm just going to wrap it around. Make sure it's not too bulky, because if it's too bulky, it's just gonna look strange. And then I'm gonna take it here and I'm gonna tuck the rest right up here in the top. Bam. Try to make sure it don't look too bulky. All right. So then I have this half left. I'm gonna take this half, kind of pull it up a little bit to where it's folded. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. Wrap it around. Try to like pull it a little bit, not too tight, but to where it's comfortable for you and it's not super bulky in the back. And then I'm going to tuck it again, and then I'm just going to customize it. I'm ready to talk to y'all about this wig, baby. I'm loving this wig right now. I don't know if y'all are into the purple, baby, but girl, I'm loving this whole entire look. So let's talk about it. Yes, this wig came from Amazon and I'm so glad I took a chance on this. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, and I hope you have, because I've been doing whole wig reviews and vlogs. I've been doing behind the scenes. I've been showing y'all wigs ahead of time, and I go over Amazon products in my vlog, so make sure you guys check them out. I showed you guys a sneak peek of this wig in my vlog, so shout out to you queens that do watch my vlogs and caught the hint, because y'all was in the comments like, is that purple? It's super affordable, you guys, and this is just something fun. Like, I love this look. I think it's a whole look, and I'm excited because not only is the wig from Amazon, the head wraps from Amazon, because I showed you guys ahead of time. It comes in a pack of 3. Definitely check that out, you guys, because those are multi-purpose. Like, you can low-key wear the head wrap as a scarf, as a shawl, as a head wrap, okay, as a headband. I have styled it multiple ways and I will continue to style them for y'all, but go pick that up, y'all. They have so many colors. Definitely a great buy from Amazon. But also these earrings, baby, get into them. Get into them, sis. These earrings are from Amazon as well. They come in that big pack of 30 for like $19 or $18. Definitely pick that up. And then of course the lipstick is from Amazon. Okay, this is my favorite lipstick. I have the link in the description. I have multiple shades, and this is a new shade, girl. I just picked this up the other day. Okay, and honey, she is giving. Okay, so y'all, I love the texture of this wig. It's super soft. It's that nice springy curly type look. It's so soft. It's styled easily. I didn't have any shedding. I didn't have any tangling, but of course I didn't brush through this wig. The wig also does come with combs on the inside of the wig. So y'all, I have no complaints about this wig or this style. I love it so much. If you love it too, let your girl know, and we will continue to experiment with Amazon. Again, make sure you guys check out my boo, my sis, Shining Star on YouTube. Go check out her video, you guys. Let her know in the comments that Nene or Queendom Mindset sent you. Show her some love, because I know whatever she got from Amazon, she is slaying, okay? Because honey, she does the thing, period. I'm gonna add this to my headband wig playlist and also my haul playlist. I'm gonna tag them here and I hope you guys will check them out. Leave me a comment below and let me know which style was your favorite, and don't forget to answer that question of the day. I love you guys so much and I will talk to you very, very soon. If you're not subscribed, girl, hit that subscribe button for this purple wig.